How to allow Snapchat notifications on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to allow Snapchat notifications on Android device. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch a Snapchat app and make sure that you sign into your account. Proceed by tapping profile icon at top left corner. Once you access your profile feed, tap on gear icon at top right to access settings. From the settings section, you need to navigate to notifications option and make sure that you tick mark all the option that is necessary for you. And then you will successfully enable or allow Snapchat notification from app. Further, what you can do is you can easily enable notification in app info as well. Long press on a Snapchat app on your home screen. Navigate to I button. Now select manage notifications and make sure that you turn on the button for allow notifications. And with that, you will successfully enable notifications on Snapchat.
Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.